Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video we're going to have a little look at our PVC Y-Strainers. Now, Y-Strainers are great to have in a system before sensitive equipment, so for example before pumps that could get blocked by any debris in the fluid, or before dosing systems and nozzles and things like that. Anything which is at risk of being blocked and either being damaged or even as compromised. A Y-Strainer works by water coming in from this end here, passing up the centre of the filter inside. It then flows through the strainer inside. Remember, this is a strainer, not a filter. This is to take out particles, largest particles, 1 mil, 2 mil, that kind of size. It's not going to take you down to 40 microns or 50 microns or anything like that. So it passes through our strainer to the outside of the strainer and flows down and then out of our strainer. It's important when you mount strainers like this that they're mounted with the strainer part pointing downwards in the system. The reason for that is when you want to clean the strainer basket, if we take the strainer basket out, any debris which is collected in that basket is going to stay in the basket as you take it out. If you've got it mounted this way round, it's still going to strain and the particles are going to come in here. They're going to stick inside the basket, they're going to stay inside the basket because the water pressure and the water flow will keep them in there. But the moment you turn the system off, everything's going to slump down and come down back into your system again. You take this out, everything's going to fall out as you lift it up. So all the particles are now down inside your pipe. So we mount our strainer this way up, and then any particles inside the strainer stay inside the strainer as we take it out, and then we can give them a bash to get the bits out, maybe give them a spray with some water, and then we can stick it back in and we're back and up and running again. I'll just take this out again to show you what this is like. For a start, we have a nice clear PVC plastic body. That means we can see what's going on in our strainer. We can see if it's starting to look blocked, so we can see if it needs changing. The strainer itself is a polypropylene strainer, and it sits nice and firmly in the frame there. We've got an O-ring seal here and an extra O-ring seal here, so there's no way this is going to leak at all. We tighten that up and there we've got our strainer all ready to go again. Strainer sizes on strainers up to 2 inch in size, it's a 0.9mm mesh, so anything below 0.9 millimeters isn't going to get through your strainer. When we go to bigger ones like this big baby here, we're looking at a 2mm strainer inside. So anything 2.5 inches and up. The biggest we do on these is 4 inches, so 2.5 inches, 3 inches and 4 inches, or 75 mil, 90 mil and 110 mil. It's all a 2mm strainer. Anything below that and it's a 0.9mm strainer. All these strainers have unions either side, so if you did need to take it out and service it, for example if you're using this outside, you might find that slowly you'll get some debris building up on here, maybe some algae growing up in here if it's just a water system which is coming through. So once the system's down, is being serviced, you can undo your unions, take your strainer body out, give it a good clean up, and then you can put it back in again and it's ready to go again. So the direction of flow on these strainers is always in this direction, so it points in the direction that the actual wire of the strainer is going. So the flow is this way at all times. Thanks for watching. Bye.